Hey guys, WWII here, bringing you a quick reveal video, and I guess you could constitute this as my spring/summer update. So first, the reveal video. I have begun painting figures. This is my first ever figure that I've painted and finished. It is Tamiya's 1/16 scale German machine gunner, painted almost exclusively with oils that I mixed myself. The only things on here that aren't oil are the silver silver buckles are Vallejo, just Vallejo, I think RLM02 silver. The machine gun was painted black, and then I used Tamiya's gunmetal weathering pigment thing. And the helmet was painted with my field gray mix, and then I hairspray chipped with Tamiya white to get that look. The base is carved insulation foam sitting on top of a pre-made wooden base. I covered it with a mixture of Tamiya brown paint, I don't remember which one, tile grout, and some Woodland Scenics fine rocks or something. And then I did some berms, or on top of the berms I did some Woodland Scenics grass and dry brushed snow on top of it. The water is resin that I painted over and then glossed over. It was originally supposed to be see-through resin, but I had some problems with other things I tried earlier, so I had to paint it like that. This is a really fun kit. I'm going to be doing a lot of these videos pretty soon here. I'd like to try to get some actual painting done on these, like get painting assembly, like build videos, I guess, art videos, whatever, of these figures. But so the deal is, I'm not going to be bringing my spray stuff with me when I move to university, at least for the first little while. So what I plan to do is just throw a box of oil paints and some basic base stuff in my luggage. And I've been collecting figures, so all of these you will probably see at some point in the next year or two on my channel, either as reveals or full builds. 48 scale German infantry maneuvers. This one would be built in conjunction with me working at home, because I have a 48 scale Beetle, whatever the German military version of the Beetle is. I've got Tamiya's kit of it. Lindenberg Nazi official, trumpeter 35th scale PMC in Iraq. I bought this right after I read Eric Prince's book about owning and operating Blackwater, which is a really interesting read. You should read it if you can get your hands on it. Elite infantryman. I have no idea how I'm going to paint this. I don't even want to speculate the proper way to shade and do all these little P dots, but that'll be a fun project when I get around to it. Modern U.S. Army infantryman. A similar situation with the shading to the P-dot one. I don't really know how to tackle this complex camo. And again, the camo I don't really know how to tackle with the World War II German infantryman reversible uniform. I do already know I'm going to be doing the elite infantry oak pattern. I really like the way that looks, and I think that'll be fun to try to do. Most interesting and newest, I've got ICM's 116 SWAT team leader. The molding on this is absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to tackle it. I've been reading a lot old fine-scale modelers about doing blue and dark colors on figures, so that'll be an interesting project. A 35th scale Hitler that I thought was a 16th scale Hitler, so I don't know what I'm going to do with him, but I'll probably try to make a diorama with him doing something, maybe inspecting a tank column. And finally, I have no idea what manufacturer this is. I'm guessing the eBay seller I bought it from is ripping off and recasting it, but it's a Crusader bust, and it's actually pretty well cast, but it just looks pretty sketchy, so I'm going to assume it's stolen from someone somewhere. So that's what's coming pretty soon. I've got 3 out of the 10 American Cats videos done at the time of recording, which is May 15th. I should have a video out soon. I wanted to have it done last week, but I didn't do it. Well, I was working on it just to get done. I have a super special project involving Hornby USA coming out within the next month or two, before I go to school for sure. I'm working real hard to get this one done, kind of on a big time constraint here. You know what? I'll just show you. Hold on. This is big news. My channel got some recognition from Hornby USA, and they didn't say I wasn't allowed to talk about this, so I'll just say it right now. They sent me some kits to build, which is really cool. So I've got some kits from them. I only think I'll be able to get one done this summer, so I don't know when I'll get the other one done, but I'll for sure. It's like #1 on my list, even ahead of American Cats, to at least get one of these done. So let me show you what I'm working on right now. I'll be right back. The box is covered up by like 3 other boxes, so I'll just grab the instructions. This is building this. That'll be out soon, as soon as possible. So, yep, that's what I'm working on. That's what I've got done. It was a really fun kit. I like doing these figures, and I will see you guys whenever the next real build video comes out.